This is session 5 of Unit 1 of Business Taxation of 5th SEM BBA of Mangalore University. Session 5 consists of set-off and carry-forward of depreciation. The learning objective is to understand when additional depreciation is allowed, adjustment for unabsorbed depreciation, calculation of set-off of depreciation, and how to carry forward unabsorbed depreciation. The session outcome is to understand the concept of additional depreciation, the concept of set-off and carry forward of unabsorbed depreciation, solve the problems of set-off and carry forward of depreciation. You need to remember the rates of depreciation and the unabsorbed depreciation. Additional depreciation on plant or machinery. Apart from the normal depreciation that is charged on various assets, there will be an additional depreciation only in the case of plant or machinery, not in any other assets. So the additional depreciation shall be allowed at 20% or 10% if the asset is used for less than 180 days. So if the asset is used for more than 180 days, it is 20%, and if it is used for less than 180 days, it is half of it, that is 10%. The plant and machinery is acquired and used after 1st April 2005, and the plant and machinery should be new, that is, it is purchased during the previous year. Additional depreciation on plant and machinery with effect from assessment year 2016-17 in regions like notified backward area in the state of Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Telangana and West Bengal. The plant and machinery installed between 1st April 2015 to 31st March 2020, the additional depreciation will be 35% instead of 20% in the other cases, and 17.5% if it is used for less than 180 days. Exceptions to the additional depreciation. Additional depreciation is not allowed in the following cases: ships and aircrafts, old plant and machinery, any plant and machinery installed in office premises, residential accommodation and guest houses, office appliances or road transport vehicles, power generating units. Additional depreciation to power sector units from assessment year 2013-14. If plant and machinery is acquired and installed after 31st March 2012, additional depreciation is at 20%. SSC should be engaged in the business of power generation or generation and distribution of power or transmission of power. If depreciation is claimed on straight line basis, additional depreciation is not allowed. Now, what is this unabsorbed depreciation? The depreciation that is charged by the normal rate and additional depreciation. So that is the total allowable depreciation. So if the whole amount of current depreciation allowance is not deductible from the value of the asset, the remaining unabsorbed amount is called unabsorbed depreciation. It is carried forward to the subsequent assessment years till it is fully deducted. It can be set off against profits of business or profession or any other income except income under the head salaries. So, unabsorbed depreciation can be carried forward to the subsequent or next assessment years till any number of assessment years till it is set off. And it also can be set off not only from the profits of business or profession, but also from other incomes except the head of salaries. Set off and carry forward of depreciation. The balance of unabsorbed depreciation which is not already set off shall be first set off against the profits of any other business or profession, even speculation business. If still it is unabsorbed, it can be set off against income under any other head of under that assessment year, during that assessment year, except salaries. If unabsorbed depreciation cannot be wholly set off, it shall be carried forward till it is fully deductible for any number of years. Now let us see the order of set off of unabsorbed depreciation. First, we take the business profits before depreciation for the current year. From the business profits, we will deduct current year's depreciation. Then we will deduct the business loss which is brought forward from the previous year, and then we shall deduct the unabsorbed depreciation which is brought forward from the previous years. Any unabsorbed depreciation which is left can be set off against other incomes also, apart from business and profession. So in this session we have studied about additional depreciation. Unabsorbed depreciation shall be carried forward and set off in the succeeding years, and order of set off should be followed. These are the references.